It was 9:29 a.m. and Frank was down bad. Like check engine light on, fridge empty, borrowing Wi-Fi from Starbucks bad. Rent was due, and his bank account had more tumbleweeds than numbers. Then it happened. The Queen of Trades dropped a Tesla $300 call for April 17th. Only $228? Frank whispered to himself, sweating. That was grocery money, but ramen and dreams fueled empires, right? He clicked buy. The market opened. Tesla started creeping up. Okay, little buddy, keep climbing, Frank muttered, gripping his phone like it was a life raft. By noon, he was up 100%. By 2 p.m., 300%. By the closing bell, 700%. Frank stared at his screen. I just made rent in a day? He nearly choked on his iced coffee. Now Frank walks different. He tips baristas like he's Elon. His Wi-Fi? Premium. And you? Still hesitating? While you're reading this, someone else just banked 500%. Stop watching. Start winning. Join the Queen of Trades now.